Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Want to turn your crypto into cash? I've got you covered. Whether you're looking to cash out some of your gains or just need some extra funds, this guide will help you through the process. Today, I'm walking you through how to withdraw fiat from Binance. It's a straightforward process, but there are a few steps you'll need to follow to ensure everything goes smoothly. Let's dive right in. First things first, log into your Binance account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one and complete the necessary verification steps. Once you're in, hover over that account icon in the upper right corner. You'll see a drop-down menu. Click on Assets. This is where you can manage all your funds and transactions. Now, on the Assets page, you'll want to find and click on Withdraw. Easy, right? This will take you to the Withdrawal section where you can start the process. Next, select Withdraw Fiat on the new page that opens. This option allows you to convert your cryptocurrency into traditional currency. Here comes the fun part, picking your currency. Binance supports a variety of fiat currencies, so you can choose the one that works best for you. Whether it's USD, EUR, or any other fiat currency, just select the one you want to withdraw. Make sure to double-check the currency to avoid any mistakes. Once you've chosen your currency, you'll need to pick a withdrawal method. Binance offers several options, like bank transfer or credit card. Choose the one that suits you best. Each method has its own processing time and fees, so be sure to review these details before making your selection. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and follow the prompts. Be mindful of any minimum or maximum withdrawal limits that may apply. Double-check all your details to make sure they're correct. This includes your withdrawal amount, currency, and method. Any errors could delay your transaction. Finally, hit that Submit button. Voila! You've successfully initiated a withdrawal. Now, all you have to do is wait for the transaction to be processed. The time it takes can vary depending on the withdrawal method you chose. You've successfully withdrawn fiat from Binance. Keep an eye on your bank account or card to see when the funds arrive. And there you have it. Super simple and straightforward. With just a few clicks, you can turn your crypto into cash. Now you can enjoy your hard-earned cash. Whether you're using it for daily expenses or saving it for a rainy day, it's always nice to have some extra funds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto tips and tricks. We regularly post content to help you navigate the world of cryptocurrency. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for more tutorials and updates.